everyone. Today in our language lesson we will learn about how to diagramming pronoun subject. This is the same way as we diagramming the noun subject. Did you still remember what is the pronoun as a subject? I, you, she, he, it, we, and they. So you have to remember it, the pronoun as the subject. Okay, now we will try to diagramming the pronoun subject. Let's take a look. Okay, number 1. She was wearing a new coat. So where is this pronoun as the subject? Yes, this one as the subject and this one as the verb. This one helping, this one action verb. Okay, now we want to diagramming this one. So we put the subject in the side and then the verb on the right side. Done. Now we will try another example. Okay, now we are going to take A, page 162. Underline the verbs 2 times and the subject 1 time. Diagram the subject and the verb on notebook paper. So number 1, she listened to the serpent. So what do you think? Where is the subject? Yes, she as the pronoun subject. And then the verb is listen. So we diagram it. We put she in the left side and then listen at the right side. This is number 1. Number 2, she disobeyed God. She underline 1 time as the pronoun as the subject, disobeyed as the verb. Okay, now we diagramming them. She and then disobeyed. Okay, the rest number you may do it individually. Now we are going to the next section about the diagramming compound subjects and verbs. So if you see this picture, it looks like a rocket, isn't it? Yes, we want to draw a rocket now. So when we want to diagram the compound subject and verb, we have to write each part of the compound on a separate line in here, and then the subject still on the left side and the verb still on the right side. And then we have to put the joining word inside this triangle. Okay, isn't it clear enough for you? Now we are going to the example. English and history are my favorite subject. So we have to put English here, history. And where is the joining word? Yes, we put an in the triangle, inside the triangle, and then we put the verb are in this line. Okay, if you find more than 2 compound subject, you may put line inside the rocket like this. Okay, next we are going to compound verb. Now take a look for another example in compound verb. So in compound verb, we change the rocket to become like this, and then we put the subject in here, and then we put the verb in up and down here, and then the joining word inside the triangle. So we will try. After school, Claire studied, set the table, and practiced her piano lesson. So we put the subject. Where is the subject? Yes, the subject is Claire. And then where are the verb? Yes, studied. And then there are 3 verbs. So we have to make a line. Set the table, set, only set, and practice. And where is the joining word? And. Okay, so in compound verb, we change the rocket and we put the subject on the left side and then the verb on the right side, and then joining word inside the triangle. Next, we are going to compound subject and verb. In this compound subject and verb, we draw like a twin rocket. Okay, and then in here we put the compound subject, and then in here we put the compound verb. So the compound subject on the left side and the compound verb as in the right side, and then we put the joining word inside the triangle. Now we want to complete the diagram. So Lily and Anna mowed the lawn and emptied the trash. So we put the subject here, Lily and then we put the verb mow and emptied. And then as the joining word, we put an inside the triangle. Okay, that's all. I think it's clear enough for you. Now let's take a look for the exercise. You may do it individually according to my explanation. Thank you. Bye.